Yo, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Boon's Hero Hub channel, and this is Avery, our AI assistant.
Greetings. System online and ready.
Today we are reviewing this VF-19 Custom. Maybe it is bad, maybe it is good. Let's check it out.
This is the VF-19 Custom Basara Neki's iconic Fire Valkyrie from the Macross 7 fleet. Its unique feature? It trades heavy weaponry for a powerful sound system. That's right, instead of missiles, this Valkyrie projects Basara's songs directly onto the battlefield, creating what's known as song energy. It's a radical design, prioritizing music over destruction. Now, let's analyze the VF-19 Custom model kit itself, produced by Bandai Spirits in 2024. Its official suggested retail price is 5,500 Japanese yen. The highlights are clear and impressive. First, its shortcut change transformation. This means simple, clever part exchanges allow for incredibly easy transformation between all three forms. Second, this shortcut change system perfectly recreates all three iconic forms, Fighter, Gerwalk, and Battroid, with silhouettes that are incredibly faithful to the original anime design. No compromises on accuracy here. Third, there's a strong focus on articulation. This model is designed for dynamic posing, capturing the VF-19's legendary agility. Beyond that, expect details like an open, close canopy and fully transformable sound booster units, just like Basara's in the show.
Alright, let's crack this beauty open. The box itself is quite substantial, which is always a good sign. It feels like it holds something significant. Inside, we look at about 14 main runners, 3 sheets of decals, and a comprehensive instruction manual. It's a solid package, promising a serious build. Now, let's fast forward through the build. Honestly, the assembly process was surprisingly smooth. No major hiccups, no parts unexpectedly fly across the room. Just me, the plastic, and sometimes a little white noise in the background. A familiar comfort, really. It's almost therapeutic, piecing together a hero's machine. Especially when you remember that one classmate who introduced you to Macross 7. Even if they've now decided to disown it anyway, a relatively peaceful build for a legend.
Alright, assembly complete. Its multicolor plastic molding from Bandai Spirits is impressive, minimizing the need for extensive touch-ups. This 15cm model weighs in at a solid 100 grams, a faithful recreation.
Starting from the top, the head movement is pretty standard, typically for a high-grade kit. For the shoulders, you can't quite get a full 90 degrees side lift, but it's still decent, good enough for most poses, I'd say. The elbow bend just a little over 90 degrees, which is acceptable. But I have to say, the waist articulation is surprisingly good. You can get some nice twists and turn there. Now, for the legs, it can almost do a full split, reaching about 90 degrees. And let me tell you, that's a huge improvement compared to the VF-19, which barely moves. The knees also bend just past 90 degrees. So, that's the full rundown on its articulation. You know, when it's come to transforming models like this, there's always some kind of trade-off, isn't there? It's kind of like life. You gain some flexibility in one area, only to find yourself rigidly stuck in another. What do you guys think? Is it good enough?
After rigorous tests, including shakes and gentle drops, this model proves solid. It even manages a stable one-legged stance, excellent balance. A rare consistency, indeed.
You get the display base, essential transformation parts, various hand options, the signature sound booster, a shield, and a machine gun. Alright, the transformation. If you are new, expect 5 to 10 minutes with the manual. Get good, it's about 2 minutes, similar to the VF-19. But there's one thing. Swapping parts will cause wear and tear. These models get worn out just like we do. And unlike us, they don't get replacement parts for their inner selves, so be mindful. Alright everyone, that's all for today's review. From a scale of 0 to 10, how do you rate this kit? Please leave a comment below.
Please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with fellow enthusiasts.
Thanks for watching.